How to change your phone number on Signal. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change your phone number on Signal. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Signal application and now click on those 3 points up there and click on Setting. Now click on the first option, which is Account, and click on Change Phone Number. Now all you need to do is use this to change your correct phone number to a new phone number. You can't undo this change. Before continuing, make sure your new number can receive SMS or calls. And now you can click, you should tap your old phone number and your new phone number and click on continue, and they're gonna send you a SMS or they're gonna call you to send you a code, and you can tap the code and click on done. And this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.